Hi friends, this is 5 minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can set timer for taking photos and videos in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First, open camera in your phone, and if you want to add timer for taking photos, for example, if you are taking a group photo or if you are taking a selfie photos, just you can set a timer, and you can yourself go in the frame, you can appear in the frame, and after reaching that particular time, camera will automatically capture the image. Okay, so it's mainly used to for taking group photo, or also for single photo. Just if you are alone only taking photos without need of any other help, just you can shoot yourself photos and videos. Okay, that's the purpose of adding timer in your tablet. Okay, for that, first click this icon, and you will have 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds timer. Okay, so as per your convenient, you can add 2 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 second and timer. Okay, 5 second is medium, just I use 5 second now. So after 5 seconds, it will capture the image. Okay, so what you got to do is just you got to press the shutter button. Once after pressing the shutter button, for 5 seconds will be counted, and after 5 seconds automatically it will be captured. That is image will be captured lately. Okay, that's the meaning here. Okay, actually if you press shutter button without having this timer, immediately image will be captured. But if you set the timer like this, after pressing the shutter button, the timer will be followed. Okay, see here, I pressed 5 4 3 2 1, capture. Okay, suppose if I use 2 seconds, what will happen? Only after 2 seconds it will be immediately captured. Okay, see here. Yes, I will show 10 seconds. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, click. Okay, so in this way you can easily set a timer. For video also it will be useful. Okay, see here, it is in 10 seconds now. Okay, no, for video it's not available, sorry. Only for photos it will work. Okay, so in this way you can easily add timer for photos, for taking photos in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.